How to open Telegram account with email. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device and then search Telegram. Simply install Telegram app and then press on open, which will lead you to this page. In here, select your country and then add your phone number. There is no one way to create an account with an email. You will need a phone number. But if you don't have a phone number, what you can do is simply go back from the Telegram app, open Chrome, and search free number. And click on any of these websites. All these numbers are temporary phone numbers that you can use for free. You can use this to simply create an account, and this is how to open Telegram account with email. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.